Hey, it's Tim here with Expert Power Wash. Got another video here for you. Got some Swivels in the other day and started comparing them, and I just wanted to jump on here real quick and show you some of the different hose reel swivels that we got here. So this one here is the Super Swivel, and then I have an aftermarket one here. So pretty similar. Super Swivel is going to be a little bit shorter. It's probably a little bit more higher quality than what one of the aftermarket ones would be. I got this one here. This is an interesting one. This is actually the Mossmatic. If you guys are familiar with the Mossmatic brand, they make super good swivels. They're bleach resistant, not completely proof, but this is a nice swivel. Cool thing about it is it's made in the USA, so that is something that we are pushing extreme, is to find everything we could possibly find in the US. Got some wire here. Took a long time to find USA made wire, believe it or not, for the type of wire that we use for the pumps. Got another one here. So you could trust that we're doing everything we possibly can to make sure that everything that's going on our skids is USA made if possible. We're pretty close, about 95% of the way there. There's still a couple odd things that we can't find, but either way, it's a nice swivel. I'm going to take you over and show you one of the skids, why maybe one of these swivels might be a little bit better than one of these, so you can see the difference. Let's see if I can. So you're probably going to save yourself about an inch, and when you're building skids, every bit of real estate that you can save on these skids is crucial. So I'm going to show you our skid and show you where the Mossmatic swivel might come in handy. All right, most of these skids here that I'm going to show you they're laid out just fine. They got plenty of space. This is an 8-footer. However, you can see as you start putting things in, if this was a 6.5, even with 12-inch reels, it's going to get real tight over here. So you can see we got the regular swivels there. If we could cut down an inch on both sides, you're getting 2 inches there. Show you on this Ultimate Mini. These are 12-inch reels. If you wanted to put another swivel here, it would likely touch that other one. This is set up for downstream injection, so it's not really a big deal. You peel off the hose and then you hook it up to your downstream bypass there. But like I said, if you wanted to put on another swivel, you'd be pretty limited on space there. You got the handle on this side and then the handle on this side. So yeah, great little new item that just came in. I'll throw that out on the website. If you guys have any questions about it, shoot it down below in the comments. I'll put the link to our website, like I said, and drop my email and phone number. If you're calling our business line, that line does get super busy, so we try not to tie it up too much, but if it's something that you can message over, that's probably preferred. You guys have a great weekend, great Saturday, and I'll see you in another video.